Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start your own dropshipping business using AliDrop, step by step. You'll learn how to pick products, build your store, connect suppliers, and start making money online without holding any inventory. So let's get started. AliDrop is a powerful Shopify app that turns your website into a fully automated dropshipping store using products from AliExpress. It handles everything: importing products, syncing prices, processing orders, and sending tracking numbers automatically. Here's how dropshipping works. You list a product on your website. A customer buys it at a retail price. You order it from AliExpress at a wholesale price. The supplier ships it directly to your customer, and you keep the profit. Step 1. Get your domain and hosting. Use any hosting provider like Hostinger, Namecheap, or Bluehost. Install WordPress on your hosting account. Step 2. Buy the AliDrop plugin from alidrop.co. After purchase, they'll send you a plugin file and a license key. Upload the plugin to your WordPress dashboard, activate it, and enter your license key. Step 3. Customize your store. AliDrop gives you free themes made for dropshipping, such as DaVinci or Andy Warhol. Change the colors, logo, and homepage to match your brand. Make sure your site looks clean, fast, and mobile-friendly. Step 4. Find winning products. Look for items that are lightweight, have good reviews, and are already selling well. You can use AliExpress Dropshipping Center or AliDrop Insights to find trending items. When you find a product, click Import to Store, and it's automatically added with images and descriptions. Step 5. Set your prices and profit margins. You can set automatic pricing rules. For example, if the product costs $10, your store can sell it for $25. AliDrop updates the prices automatically when they change on AliExpress. Step 6. Process your orders. When a customer buys from your store, go to your Orders tab and click Place Order Automatically. AliDrop fills in all the details for you. Once the supplier ships the product, the tracking number is sent to your customer automatically. Step 7. Start marketing your store. Promote your products using Facebook ads, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and influencer marketing. You can also grow with email campaigns, discounts, and SEO. The more traffic you bring, the more sales you'll make. Step 8. Automate and scale. Use AliDrop built-in automation to sync inventory, track shipments, and manage orders. Once your store grows, you can hire a virtual assistant or use AI tools to handle support. And that's it. Link in bio. Click and start dropshipping only in $1. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment AliDrop ready if you're planning to launch your store this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.